Welcome back to Aiken's Outdoor Adventures, and today we're going to talk about my favorite shoe for on the trail, and that is the Salomon Speedcross. Okay guys, let's get right into it. I've been wearing Salomon Speedcross shoes for quite a while now. My first pair I bought were a dark green, which is this right here. These shoes lasted me for about 2 years because I only use them on trail. The bottoms of them are pretty slick, so I decided to buy a new pair. Now these are these 4s. They're an awesome shoe. They dry quick, they're comfortable, they have a lot of grip for the trail. Now these are a 12.5 wide US standards. Right before the police academy, I decided to buy a new pair of Salomon Speedcross, but I wanted to buy black ones. I ended up finding a 12.5 in black. They are also the Salomon Speedcross 4s. Sorry about the dirt, but I actually wear these. Running on the pavement and going to the gym, also wore them out very fast. They only lasted me about a year. The only malfunctions I've had with these shoes are right here in the corner. I have a hole right here, and that's on both pairs. Now, like I said, I have wide feet, so it's probably gonna happen. I'm a big guy, I got wide feet. This year, we went to Arizona. Where all did we go? We went to Arizona, we went to Utah, we went to Nevada, Colorado. I wanted a new pair. Not only did I want a new pair, I wanted a pair that were pretty bright and colorful. I don't know why. I usually wear greens and blacks. The issue was I could not find a 12.5 in a wide, so I had to take a risk and buy a 12.5 that was not a wide, and this is what I end up getting. These shoes are my absolute favorite. Now, if you're used to a really wide foot box, you're probably not gonna like these too well. Some quick facts about these shoes. This is a heel strike shoe. It has a drop of 10 millimeters. The lug depth is 5 millimeters, and the heel is 35 millimeters. Now, each shoe weighs 11.28 ounces, so they're not a very heavy shoe. There is a lot of thick material here in the back. I really do like these for the trail. Now, if you're climbing some mountains with some loose dirt or wet surfaces and creeks and stuff like that, check out the lugs on the bottom of these shoes. Now, these things, it's like walking on Velcro. We went to Angel's Landing, and I had no issue with traction the entire way up and the entire way down. Here in Missouri, we have a lot of slick rock in the creeks, and I have never busted my tail yet. So some of the features I really love about these shoes are they do have this mesh here, which protects the tongue. The tongue is not connected, it's only connected at the base, but this kind of keeps everything nice and tight. My absolute favorite thing about these are their shoelaces. These quick laces are amazing. You literally can hold it like so, and you can zip it down. Something else that's really neat about these shoes are once you zip down the laces, you can roll them up. Inside the tongue, there is this flap. So this flap, you can take your rolled up shoelace and put it in the flap. So now there's no laces in the way. It's all folded up into the tongue. I just like the fact that it's inside your tongue of your shoe. It's out of the way, less chances of you tripping on laces. For me, that's a pretty good deal, especially if you're doing a hike like Angel's Landing, where if you fall, it's a bad deal. I've had these shoes now for one trip, and I am not going to wear them to the gym. I am not going to wear them running on the road. I know I'm a bigger guy. You're probably thinking, oh, he don't run. Yeah, I do. You can pick up these exact same shoes that I have here with the yellow bottoms for $130 on Salomon's website. You can also pick up another pair that looks the same as this but has a blue bottom for only $104. So if you look around, you can probably find them cheaper other places. That's just from Salomon's website. I will say these shoes are pretty true to their size. My gym shoes are actually, I think, one size smaller. I think I wear a 12 and they're Asics. I bought a 12.5 in these because I figured I'm not getting a wide. I might as well go ahead and get a half size bigger, and it worked out great. I got lots of compliments on these shoes, a lot of people staring at them. If you like this video on the Salomon Speedcross 5s, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We got tons of videos. We're trying to put out a new video every Monday at 7 a.m. Also, we have a Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you're a new subscriber, let us know that you're subscribing to our channel. Send us a screenshot of that, and we'll send you a free sticker. And if you've been with us for a while, let us know. We got something for you too. See you guys later.